Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's pretty sunny, it's summer, and today we are going to be doing something quite different in terms of landscaping. I used to look after fish ponds and stuff like that. So today we're going to be cleaning a little fish pond, which is quite yucky. So let's go. So this fish pond here, you can see is super slimy, yuck, grotty, and got little, watercress there, watercress here. So we're gonna clean this out. We're going to also clean this out. And yeah, so first things we're gonna do is to take out all these water plants while these watercress have taken off. So let's put this aside. Look at this. Yuck. Algae! Disinfect this, get rid of all this algae. And even this is quite yuck. So let's go. So I'm going to add in some disinfecting tablets. This is basically got some chlorine in there. Basically it's so that it helps to kill off all this algae. So I'm going to just flick this in. And let it fizz. Gotta put in a couple more tablets. That little bit didn't work. It's not enough. You need stronger amount of bleach. I'm also needing to clean these two features, so I'm just gonna wet them first. As you can see, as I wet them with just this water hose, it will come off. This pond inside here has got no fish, so which is a good thing. Okay, let's jet wash the pond. So I am now draining out the pond. Okay, with this little water feature, it's good enough. I'm also pouring, I just did a whole bunch of copper oxychloride because that's also an algae killer. And at the bottom of this has a whole bunch of rocks, so it's going to be a bit challenging to clean up the thing properly. So I think what I'm going to do is get rid of all this slime, take all this out. See? Pretty terrible. I probably just want to siphon it. Yeah, because even this is stuck. You probably can't see it. Yeah, I probably need a bigger hose, but I think bigger hose has got gravel and everything, so it's not that simple. I'll probably just scoop it out and then chuck it into the ground. And yeah, see how grotty this is. It's a big job. So I'm going to use this to mix up all the water so it kills all the algae off. So I realized that the water wasn't flowing properly, okay, because there was no filter. I'll show you in a bit. So I'm going to prime it first, pump water straight into these, and I'll show you at the other end what's happening. Because I'm using just normal tubes, you can see there's a little filter here. Okay, so I've got this filter to prevent it from getting clogged. Both of them, two hoses, have it. There's so much debris at the bottom. So I need this to prevent all the crap at the bottom. Okay, you can't see the debris now, but there's a lot of debris at the bottom. Let me show you how much debris and crap there is. I mean, raw fish pond, we're going to do a big clean. There's so much debris out here. Okay, even though this is a small one, not easy when you need to do an overhaul. Yeah, it's a bit slow going, but with the filter, at least it's going and I can clean it. Okay, so if the double siphon is going at that rate, it's pretty good. I will have to keep agitating the base and checking to make sure that the filter here, okay, is not jammed up and clogged. So I still need to clean up, and still all this crap, still all this algae to shoot out. So I will pump the jet washer to re-agitate the base so that all the siphons can get as much of the debris full of humic acid and some organic matter, great for the rest of the yard. Let's water the yard. So now it's down to the last few liters. The siphons won't work, so I'm going to manually scoop it all out. Pond is pretty much filled up to about here, and then I'm gonna put this product to prevent more algae and sludge from building up, and of course we need to filter it periodically for maintenance. So away it goes. So okay, conclusion, job is done. Plants have been repotted. The fountain is working. This is all clean. And yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked what I've done, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. See you in the next one. Bye.